with a radius of 1.4 meter catches a stone, and it travels, but what we want to do here is get a height as a function of the distance it travels. So distance for one cycle, okay, one rotation, the distance is going to be 2 pi times 1.4. So it's 2.8 pi meters. Okay, so let's actually convert that into fraction. That's 28 pi over 10. Let's divide the top and bottom by 2. You get 14 pi over 5. Okay, so one cycle is 14 pi over 5. Okay, so the distance, the height of the rock will be at the bottom. Okay, and then we'll end at the bottom again at 14 pi over 5 meters. Okay, 2 cycles, so just draw one more cycle. Well, it's kind of ugly. So this is 24 pi over 5. Okay, some important features of the graph. The middle, okay, the middle is going to be 1.4. And the maximum, of course, is going to be 2.8. Okay, the minimum is 0. The equation will be, so height as a function of distance. The radius is 1.4, but it's negative because it starts from the bottom. It's a cosine graph that's starting at the bottom. And we need k d plus 1.4. For k, we do 2 pi over k is equal to, right, 14 pi over 5. That's the period in distance. Divide both sides by 2 pi, and you get 1 over k is equal to 7 over 5. So you get k is equal to the reciprocal of that, which is 5 over 7. Okay, so plug that back in here. Okay, so that's your function. Okay, find the height. So find the height for part C when the wheel has rolled 10.3. Okay, just plug it in. 0.73 meters. And then find the distance of the wheel has traveled when the stone is 2 meters above the ground. That means set height to be 2 meters for D, where height is this formula here. Okay, so it's going to be 2 minus 1.4, which is 0.6. Let me just bring this over 2. Okay, so 5 over 7d is going to be the cosine inverse of minus 0.6 over 1.4. And I get 2.82 meters. Okay, so when this is 2 meters, okay, or let's say it's about there, that first distance is 2.82. Of course, it occurs again here, and to get that, we do 14 pi over 5 minus 2.82, and so on, right? Here, we do this plus 2.82, and here we get 24 pi over 5 minus 2.82.